Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and Nintendo Switch is a surprisingly popular console thanks to how fun it is to play, and now with Labo, Nintendo wants to make it even more fun. We were invited to go and check out these new cardboard wonders. So for those unaware, Labo is essentially a group of creative cardboard kits that you build, colour and get creative with. Each comes with its own dedicated software, and combined with a little programming, the cardboard kits unlock a variety of different games and features. For instance, you could have this kit that lets you drive around the cardboard bug, or play your own much less violent cardboard robot wars. On the subject of robots, there's a robot kit that lets you become a robot yourself wearing a rather large cardboard kit and then stomp around and smash things in the virtual world on the big screen. But to get you started, the best kit to go with is probably the variety kit. It comes with a piano that takes a couple of hours to build and also has a motorbike you can ride, a fishing rod and a little house with its own minigame. Now, while Labo is certainly very interesting, it's a lot of fun. Probably the most fun we've had playing games since Wii Sports. Now, the kits start from around £60 and are available to buy now. You can find a full written preview over on Pocket-lint.com. I've left the link for that in the description below. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.